Hello, good morning all. Welcome to our EDU channel. Yes, you can see Microsoft Paint window is there. Right. In previous chapter, we have learned about more some important features of the Paint program. We have seen some features like text tool, brush tool, eraser, shapes, and all many things like colors, fill with color tool, pencil tool. Now, in today's session, we are going to learn more about how to create a new file, how to save a paint file, how to open and save, how to use these different tools. We can see here on this ribbon, we can see different tools are there: clipboard, image tools, shapes, and colors. How we can use them? So for this, all need to pay attention on my screen. So let's start with some given screen. Right here, you can see some pictures, some lines are drawn, some text is written here. Welcome to Edu. Also computer, you can see stars, right? Now if you observe this first shape, it's look like a plus sign, but it's not perfect. So using eraser tool, we can see this is eraser tool. We can erase the part of picture and replace it with the background color. So let how we can do it. It's eraser, right? We can erase the part. Here also I'm going to erase. Yes, we can see, and it turns like a background. That means if we don't want this line, then we can erase it using eraser tool. Now let me take second tool. Yes, it's a pencil tool. Using pencil tool, we can draw freehand drawings like this. You can draw any shapes. We can draw flowers, butterflies, leaf, grass, many more things using pencil tool. Now let me introduce more one, shapes. Yes, here we can see line tool. Using line tool, we can draw straight, standing, sleeping, slanting, different lines. Using curve line, we can draw curve line. Using these different tools, shapes tools, we can draw the different shapes like oval, circle, rectangle, star, pentagon. Many more shapes are here. Cloud call like this, right? Now I want to write my name. How can I write? Yes, it's very simple. Using pencil. So can we use pencil here? Let's try. Suppose I'm going to write here Google. G O O G L E, Google. Using pencil tool, I have written it like this. Now, but I want the perfect handwriting. So which tool helps me? You can guess here. Yes, you can see a O, A letter is there. It's a text tool. It helps to insert the text into the picture. Now using this tool, I'm going to write it here one more time. Yes, look it carefully. Wow, it's looking very nice handwriting. Yes, na? Yes, I'm going to highlight it for all of you. Yes, it's written in red color. That means using text tool, we can write what you want, right? We can label the picture. For example, here I'm going to write star. Here I'm going to write oval. Name of the shape. Yes, that means we can label the pictures. We can enter any text using this text tool. This is text tool, right? Now, second one. Yes, these are the brushes. If I'm going to click here, we can see different brushes are there. Now let's taking one more here. Suppose this one, airbrush. Using this brush, I'm going to color this picture. So I'm selecting here light green color. I'm going to color just on the background. Yes, it's look like a spray. It's a airbrush tool. Using selecting different brush, we can color like this. That means there are different brushes for the coloring purpose. We can use them. Now different more. Now it's a eraser tool. Just we have seen it at the starting of the video, right? but we are going to use it again one more time. Using eraser tool, we can erase the thing, erase the picture which we don't want. So I'm going to erase this colored portion on my screen, right? I can also erase these lines using the eraser tool. I can erase this star also. Wow. Yes, na? It's very simple and useful for all of us. Okay. Now let's take one more. We have seen this shapes tool. Using shapes tool, we can draw different shapes, as we know: oval, square, rectangle, rounded rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, triangle, arrow shape, cloud, star, 4-point star, 5-point star, then 6-point star. Again, we can see rounded rectangle, and many more shapes are there. Now, let's draw a rectangle. So how we can draw a rectangle? Using line tool, we can also draw a rectangle. How to draw? Let's see here. Just we need to draw 4 lines to draw the rectangle shape like this. But if you observe this rectangle, it's not look perfect. So how can I draw a perfect rectangle? So in shapes tool, we can see rectangle is there. By selecting this rectangle, we can draw a perfect rectangle shape. That means there is a option to draw perfect shapes also. Now I want to color. So how we can color? You can see here fill with color tool is there. Using fill with color, at one click we can color the picture. And if you are going to use this brush tool, then using brush tool we can color the picture like this way. It's look like a sketch paint color, right? It's a brush tool. Now taking some more things here. So just I'm going to take new screen here. So just I have already told you how to open new paint file program. So how to open? For that we need to click on file tab here. You can see file, home and view. These 3 tabs are there. Using file tab, just we need to click here, then find, select this new one, click here. Now we will get here new picture, new screen. Yes, right? Now using this new screen, I'm going to show some more different functions of this paint program. So first let me take pencil tool. I'm going to draw one picture here. Okay, so you can look it here carefully. Using pencil, I'm going to draw one picture here. Yes, I have drawn here a cat. Now I want to move it. Means I want to change her place, change her face location. So how it? So here Resize tool, Skew tool, and different tools are there. So now first I'm going to use here Magnifier tool. What is the use of Magnifier tool? Yes, this one. It's a magnifier tool. It helps to change the size of that picture. Means it zooms the picture. So just look how it works. If I'm going to click on this, what happens? The cat is looking little bit bigger, right? Now I'm going to zoom out. How to zoom out? Just click it on again. We can zoom out the picture, right? Now I'm going to select new one again for showing the next function. So going to take Skew tool. I'm going to use here Skew tool. Okay. Now look here. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to skew this picture. What is the use of skew tool? Its skew tool help us to rotate the picture. Maybe it's vertical, horizontal. So how it works? It's there on here. Rotate, resize and here. Now let's see here. Resize and skew. We need to select this resize and skew. Just click here. Then we need to write down here some points. For example, I'm going to take here horizontal as 20 and vertical 20. So now look on my screen. What happens? The picture is moved on the next place, right? Now again I am going to resize it. I am going to take here 10. Again 10. I'm going to click OK. Yes. It's skewed, right? Now going to take it on first place. Yes. Now going to rotate that picture. What is meant by rotate? Rotate means the picture moves vertically, horizontally, or it is changing direction. For how it works, look here. I'm selecting rotate 90 degree. What happens? Yes, we can see the picture is rotated. Now again I'm going to rotate that picture using rotate left 90 degree. Yes, it's come on regular place. Again going to rotate it, rotate 180 degrees. Here we can see the picture. It's rotated directly. Ulta picture we can see. The picture is seen here like this. Now again I am going to select flip vertical. Again we can rotate flip horizontal. In this way we can change the direction. We can rotate the picture using left 90, left 180, left right 90 and many more options here we can see. Left, right, rotate 180, flip vertical, flip horizontal. And this way we can use the rotate tool to resize and to rotate the picture. In this way we have seen different tools. They help us to turn the image into different directions. Also we have used resize tool to resize our image. It's by increasing or decreasing order. Also we have used the magnifier tool. Using magnifier tool, it works like a zoom in and zoom out feature. Right? Now it's for done for today's class. Bye bye. See you in the next class. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. So I'm going to write one word for all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.